Hi, I'm Eric Murphy, Project Architect from MCWB Architects, and today we're talking about Edgewater.
Built in 1824 and located in Barrytown, New York, along the eastern shore of the Hudson River, Edgewater is a prominent example of Greek Revival architecture. The house was commissioned by John R. Livingston and gifted to his daughter as a wedding present. The original house and the addition of an octagonal library in 1854 are considered one of Hudson Valley's most historically significant estates. The project began as a small repair for a bathroom leak, but it was soon discovered that a larger issue needed to be addressed. Over the years, the metal roof had been patched and coated many times, but hadn't been fully replaced in over a century. After our exterior conditions assessment, we concluded that the roof had reached the end of its service life and needed to be replaced. Unlike a modern membrane roof, which is flat and not intended to be seen, Edgewater's standing seam metal roof system needed to be more than functional. It also needed to be aesthetically pleasing. Highly integrated with architectural features such as dormers, raking cornices, and rain diverters, the new tin zinc coated copper roof serves both decorative and functional purposes. The built-in gutter system, for example, is concealed within the entablature on the north and south facades of the house. While these elements contribute to the building's character, they also play a critical role in collecting and directing rainwater away from the house. To develop an appropriate restoration approach, our team spent considerable time studying the existing conditions, evaluating the various periods of repair, and consulting decades of our own past projects. Our charge was to make the roof weathertight for another 100 years, while simultaneously preserving the original design and retaining as much of the historic building fabric as possible. The owners seized the opportunity to incorporate modern technologies such as lightning protection and heat trace systems, helping safeguard the building for generations to come. For the Richard Hampton Jenrette Foundation, Edgewater is far more than a historic structure. It holds one of the nation's finest collections of American decorative arts, and we have been honored to contribute to the preservation of this extraordinary house and the treasures it contains.